is 7 a.m. Just grabbed some coffee, so I'm gonna start getting ready. I don't do a lot of makeup because I have to wear the mask anyway, so I don't like to have a lot of face makeup on. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna curl my hair with a new wand that I got that I've really been liking. So let's get ready for work. Now I'm getting into my hair, and I always start off when I curl my hair by just brushing it out, and then I put it in 3 sections, which you will see throughout the whole hair tutorial video part here. But I always start off with a small section there on the bottom, and then I use my Paul Mitchell. It is so good. I show you at the end exactly what it's called, but I will spritz some of that on my hair, which just kind of keeps it so it's not so soft, because I do wash my hair either every day or every other day. So I spray that on there, gets it a little bit like a little crunchy so that it holds the curl, and it's also a heat protectant, and then I'll go in and actually start curling.
I really just bought Sims. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign of the times. Need to keep busy, trying to eat the hours away. Who knew that I like Milky Way? Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah.
I am going to really speed this part up, but I wanted to leave it in here so that way you guys could really see how I curl my hair and exactly how I section it and the way that I wrap it around. But you can tell that I wrap each section of hair in about inch sized chunks, and then I always wrap it usually away from my face, especially once it gets closer to the frame of your face. You want that hair to go away from your face when you're curling. And then if you want to add more volume, then you definitely can curl in different directions, but I typically try to stay in the same direction of curling away from my face.
I'm missing crowds. Time moving so slow. Again, I'm staring at my phone. Yesterday feels a year ago. Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good, in control, yeah. Then think of the places I could be. So I give up and watch the TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out.
You guys just saw me do the first 2 layers. When I curl my hair, I normally split it up into 3, like layers, levels, whatever. And then I use this Paul Mitchell hot off the press. This is like a heat protectant hairspray, thermal protection hairspray. So I'll just spritz a little bit of this on here. I'm like almost out of it. And then obviously my last layer is the smallest, but once I have it up in a layer, then I kind of like split it in half in the back, and then I just go through with the wand and I do like about an inch, somewhere around there, and then I curl away from my face. I stay about an inch away from my face, and then I kind of move it down, and then I stay about an inch from the ends as well, and then just like that. So easy. And I'll just go through, grab another chunk that's about an inch, give or take, and then I just kind of lay it on there. And this wand heats up really, really fast, so I definitely don't have to hold it as long as I had to hold my other one. And then this one, I just pick like random pieces and I don't do it away from my face, I will actually curl it towards my face, and that just gives it a little bit more volume when you are curling in different directions. So see how that curls a little bit different, and like it looks crazy now, but once you kind of brush them out, then everything will flow together better. And always curl the pieces right at the front of your face, away from your face, always. So then I'm just slowly bringing it down. And again, this wand heats up way faster than any other wand that I've ever had. So I curl my hair in probably half the time than when I used my other curling wand, which is crazy and so amazing. And then the other ones I have in a hair tie back here, and that just kind of keeps it from getting mixed in with the ones I have. And then what I'll do is I'll finish kind of getting ready while this cools, and then I'll brush it out with my fingers and use a sea salt spray to kind of like hold the curls in. This is the sea salt spray that I use. It's the Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray, and it works so well. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of use my fingers to break up the chunks so that way they're not like, what is it, oh my gosh, who's the girl that has all the curls? You know what I mean. But you don't want them to be super like ringlets. So once I feel like I have them curled through, I just go in and spritz this right at the ends, and this just helps tame the frizz and hold the curl a little bit more. My teacher outfit of the day is this shirt that says my name on it from Etsy. This is just a jean little denim button-up from Target, and it's the New Day brand. And then I have Lululemon leggings, and then my Reebok Classics. It's supposed to actually be pretty warm today, which I'm really excited about. And we don't have students in person at all yet, so I'm not worried about like dressing up super fancy. And then I have these awesome homemade earrings, and these are from Happy Sunshine by Han. These are so cute. She home makes all of these earrings. Super cute. She has dangly ones, studs, all sorts of ones, and she's on Etsy, so I will tag her little shop down below. Super cute, and that's what I'm wearing today. And then this is the finished look. It is seriously so fast and easy to use. I really feel like this wand has cut down my not only curling time but my frizz. Like, I don't know what it is, but this wand makes it so my hair is not as frizzy. And this is the Duvolle wand, and I got the 25mm, and such like cute packaging. It just comes in the simple sleek box, slides right out, and then it also comes with directions, and then it comes with a little glove, so that way when you're curling you can wear the glove and it'll prevent you from burning your hand, which is really thoughtful. I didn't use it, as you guys can see, but I've been curling my hair for a long time. But if you're new at curling your hair, I would definitely recommend using the glove just to be safe, and that way you don't accidentally burn your hand, because I mean, I've done that before and it's definitely not fun. So I got the 25mm, which means that the barrel is a little bit smaller, but there's also a 35mm. If you have longer hair, I would recommend the 35, because then your curls will be a little bit bigger. And then they also have a straightener as well. So awesome products. I do have a discount code in my description box. If you guys are interested, it will get you 70% off. 70. That's amazing. Like, that is literally so good, and I would never come on here and recommend something that I don't like or that I really don't recommend. So I highly suggest these curling wands or straighteners. Awesome products. I would grab one if you're in need of one, because like I said, 70% off is literally so generous. So thank you, Duvolle, for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it, and I'm so excited about this. So make sure you guys check them out in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me for work, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.